Okay, backyard style.
Who take my lady from the tropical island? Who take my lady to the Hollywood scene? Who flushed the money on the body in the red lip? Who put my baby on the shorter front tree? Say goodbye to your coconut girl. Hey, local boy, say goodbye. She's a coconut girl in a high fashion world. You gotta help us out, everybody. You know the words. All of you, even on TV. I said, someone got a pin up and a poster in the bedroom. Lately I've been feeling like I don't have any legroom. Goodbye, coconut girl. A half-fashion world. Take me to the house where the lights are on her own. Take me to the paradise, celluloid extreme. Someone got a camera in my neighborhood, and my intuition tell me that it ain't so good. I wanna see the purpose of the makeup and the skin. Goodbye, baby. Say goodbye to your coconut girl. Come on, sing. Hey, local boy, say goodbye. She's a coconut girl in a half-fashion world. Oh, yeah. Okay, you got it. Someone's got a pin up and a poster in the bed.
Sing like that.
Lately I feel like I don't have any legs. Goodbye, coconut girl. Thank you, half-fashion world. Take me to the house where the lights are on her arm. Take me to the paradise, silhouette, because her face is on the cover of a magazine, and she got me all shaking like a chickadee. I wanna see the purpose of makeup and the skin. Goodbye, baby. Say goodbye to your coconut girl. Everybody say, hey, local boy, say goodbye. She's a coconut girl in a half-fashion world. Goodbye, coconut girl. A half-fashion world. Goodbye, coconut girl. A half-fashion world. Say goodbye to your coconut girl. Hey, local boy, say goodbye. She's a coconut girl in a half-fashion world. Yeah.
Stay with us for a musical voyage to Tahiti.